Namaste all of you. Once again, welcome to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank you being here to be a participant in my virtual class. I wish to continue with another problem related to trigonometry today. And question goes like this. If a plus b plus c is equals to pi, that is 180 degree, then we have to prove sine A plus sine B plus sine C is equals to 4 cos A by 2 into cos B by 2 into cos C by 2. So let's take LHS first. It's sine A plus sine B plus sine C, and as usual we take these two factors first. So comparing sine A plus sine B with the formula sine C plus sine D, and we can convert this formula into 2 sine C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So changing in the same form, we can write sine A plus sine B as 2 sine A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2, and regarding sine C, we have a formula sine 2C is equals to 2 sine C into cos C. That means whenever the angle is 2C here on the left hand side, you have to write only C on right hand side. That means it follows the sub multiple angle. That's why we have written 2 sine C by 2 into cos C by 2. You may notice that the angle is C here. That's why we have written C by 2 and C by 2 angle in the next step, comparing with this formula. Now to the moving to the next step, we have sine A plus B by 2 can be written as cos C by 2, and that comes from the given box. So in the given condition, we have A plus B plus C is equals to pi. This can be arranged in this way. That means A by 2 plus B by 2 is equals to pi by 2 minus C by 2. And if we keep sine and sine on both the sides, then it will be sine A by 2 plus sine B by 2 is equals to sine pi by 2 minus C by 2. And if we follow the cast rule, according to the cast rule, whenever the angle is in between 90 degree and 0 degree, then the value will be positive. So that's why we have written plus here. And in case of this cos, if sine has angle 90 degree minus theta, then it can be written as cos theta. So you might have learned this at your class also. That's why we have written cos C by 2 here in place of sine A plus B by 2. This one is repeated same from the above step, and this one is also repeated. So in the next step, we will take common 2 cos C by 2 from the first factor and from the second factor. So that means what remains here in the bracket, cos A minus B by 2 and sine C by 2. Now this sine C by 2 can be converted into cos A plus B by 2 following next formula that is similar to this box, like cos A by 2 plus B by 2 is equals to cos pi by 2 minus C by 2 can be written as sine C by 2. So it is the same process that we have followed in the second step and third step here. Now the factors inside the bracket, the angles here can be separated. A minus b by 2 can be written as a by 2 minus b by 2, and again a plus b by 2 can be written as a by 2 plus b by 2. Now it seems like the formula that we have studied, like cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is equals to 2 cos a into cos b. So that means this part seems to be similar with the left hand side of this formula. That means in place of this one, we can write next step similar to the right hand side. So that means 2 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2. Now finally, these 2 and these 2 get multiplied and it will be 4, and then rest cos a by 2, cos b by 2 and cos c by 2 all are copied from the above step. So left hand side is equals to right hand side proved. I hope you understood the processes that I have followed in this video. Keep watching. Thank you very much.